Hi, my name is Daniel Raravi. I look after marketing for Mastercam India. And we have Mr. Chetan Chowdhary, the HOD of manufacturing at Lenskart.com, and my colleague Mr. Ramesh Baleri, who is the director of sales. Welcome to IMTEX. We are at the final leg of this show, and on the second last day, we are proud to have Mr. Chetan visit our booth. And because of his help and efforts his team has performed, we are able to give away a number of polarized sunglasses made by Lenskart using Mastercam at this show here at IMTEX. We've already given well over 2,000 glasses, and if you want to grab yours, do come to Hall 1B and booth A102. The story behind this is that a lot of people feel that Mastercam is used to manufacture planes, automobiles, but even white goods manufacturers and eyewear manufacturers such as Lenskart are taking the advantage of features within Mastercam to efficiently manufacture frames and glasses. And I'll pass this mic to my colleague Ramesh, who will explain how this relation started with Lenskart 5 years back.
Thank you, Daniel. This is Ramesh. I'm heading sales for Mastercam India. So a few years back, we got an inquiry from Lenskart, and we were a little surprised in the beginning, like what are we going to exactly do with the spectacle manufacturers, right? So then we realized they have bought some customized CNC machines from abroad, and which works only with programmed by Mastercam. That's how we got connected with Lenskart in first plant in Gurgaon, and we started supporting them. Today they are one of our happy customers using our CAM software for programming. And recently now they have started in Pvt also, where I just got to know that they are able to manage to make 40,000 glasses specs per day. That's a big number, right? So we can see the potential in this industry now. And when we sat down a couple of months back for a meeting, what do we give in the IMTEX giveaways for our customers visiting, prospects visiting our stand? And all of us and collectively thought, let's do something different. So we decided to give specs glasses, whoever comes in the sun to the IMTEX stand, we give them a cool glasses, right? So the name came in our mind. First name was Lenskart. We all know this brand in India is very popular, right? So we got hold of Chetan sir, and he helped us to get these specs manufactured maybe within 2 days of ordering. So many people have enjoyed it. A lot of customers are coming. Our associates are coming, especially for these glasses to our stall. So thanks to Chetan sir once again. Thanks to Lenskart.
Hello all, my name is Chetan. I take care of frames manufacturing with Lenskart. So it has been good association with Mastercam and Lenskart from long time. We are working from almost 6 years now together to make this good quality of sunglasses or regular eyewear manufacturing glasses at Gurgaon unit. So we started this collaboration using our CNC machines, and for our CNC machines, when we do programming, we are using Mastercam programming software because it is very accurate, it is very precise. At the same time, we have very good support and very talented team from Mastercam who supports us to make these sunglasses.